In this problem, it asks us to identify and name the functional groups in this given molecule. This is a problem that you'll likely see on an exam or homework or quiz. So it's a great one to use as a practice problem. Functional groups are important because those are what give the molecules their function, whether that's their biological function, their melting point, physical properties, electrochemical properties, or all sorts of things. Also, you need to know what the functional groups are so you know how to name them correctly. So let's just get into it. So first one I see here, I'll highlight these in red. I see this one right here. This is in a pretty good notation, honestly, to begin with, except I don't like that this random part is in this notation here, but whatever, we'll deal with it. This is the first one I see right here. And this is our ester because we have a carbon double bonded to an oxygen, which is our carbonyl. So this is in the carbonyl family. And then it is bonded back to an oxygen, which is bonded then to another carbon. So that is our ester. Following that right up, we have another carbonyl type right here. Ooh, what happened there? Another carbonyl type right there. And where we have our carbonyl, except now it is bound to a nitrogen, and this is an amide. And there's different levels of amide. In this case, it's a primary amide because it has NH2. If it was NH1, it'd be secondary. If there was just NRR, then it'd be tertiary. So we got a little less than halfway through. Now remember, if you're in organic chemistry with someone, be sure to send them this video, like the video, and hit subscribe if you're taking organic chemistry this semester so you can keep up with these practice problems. Next on, I'm just going to keep going around the board here. We have this SH here, the sulfur, and the hydrogen. That is what's known as a thiol. And you can think of it kind of like an alcohol, but instead of their oxygen, there's the sulfur. And then just coming around here clockwise, we have this right here, where we have our oxygen, and then it's bound to a carbon and another carbon. So that is our ether. Now, before we do the last one, remember, I am offering tutoring for this coming semester, and spots are filling up quick. So DM me for rates and availability, and we can talk about it. So this last one is this group right here. This is a double bond, also known as an alkene. So there we go. We have 5 functional groups on this molecule. If you're able to do this, you should be able. These should be free points on your exam.